currently 5:30 in the morning, and today, for no apparent reason, we're gonna go to the gym. I'm so exhausted. Today's video is gonna be fun. We're gonna get a good workout in. We're gonna get back on track and show you my little routine. It's not gonna be anything too difficult because I want you guys at home to be able to do it if you can. Good morning. I am situated. I feel better. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to Gymshark for sponsoring this video. This is a dream sponsorship. As of this past year, I've been going to the gym more often. I would always see Gymshark. I thought it was so flattering, so perfect for working out, and now that they are sponsoring today's video, I feel so lucky and so blessed, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna quickly show you guys some of the Gymshark sale that's going on. On June 7th, you guys can go on their website, and there's up to 50% off on the website, which is a great deal. And if you work out or are wanting to get into working out, I definitely think you should check it out and grab something for yourself, because honestly, working out with cute athletic wear on makes all the difference and really motivates me. So one more time, on gymshark.com, there's up to 50% off selected items. Items in your shopping bag are not saved, and its current return policy is 90 days. So that gives you plenty of time to try it out, see if you like it, and if not, return it. So starting off, I have this sports bra. This is my favorite. For somebody that has a bigger chest, you'd be surprised that it's actually quite form-fitting and tight. It is super flattering. Also, the shorts that I'm wearing, this is gonna be my gym fit for today, are these ones from Gymshark. They go a little bit longer, but you can pull them up or down, and they also have a line under the bum, which makes for a super flattering fit. The next thing that I have is this long sleeve. I'm actually gonna put this on right now because I'm a little bit cold. Oh my gosh. By the way, guys, I am wearing glasses because something about my contacts recently have just been bugging my eyes, and so we're going the old style back. You can see the Gymshark logo, and it also says Gymshark on the back, and it has a little hole. I decided to get a lot of black things because I feel like I can never go wrong with it. So I also got these shorts. You need to get these, okay? I got these in a small, and they're super tight and make your whole stomach, everything just so tight. These shorts have a little like cutout detail on the leg. I also have this sports bra. It's a lot higher on your chest, doesn't show as much cleavage or anything, and it says Gymshark on the back. I think these sports bras are so flattering, and they're very supportive actually for bigger chests as well. And then I got this black t-shirt, and you can see that one side is longer, and you can actually tie this side in a knot, which I think is super cute and different. The last thing I'm going to show you guys are these tiny little booty shorts. These once again make your body look so nice, and they're super like short, so I don't know if I would wear these to the gym, but definitely at a home workout, or if I'm just like hanging out at home, to be honest. This gray sports bra, super cute. I really like the green detailing on it, and it says Gymshark at the bottom. I also have these shorts, which I am obsessed with. I love this color, and I also like that the band says Gymshark, and I thought it couldn't get any better. The band has like a squishy thing on it so that it actually stays up high on your waist, which I just think is awesome, and every pair of shorts should have this. This tank top, super flattering. This is a lot tighter, but I think this makes you look really good and cinches you in as well. I have these light gray leggings. These are super flattering as well. These shorts, they're a little bit longer. The Gymshark on the back, and then they have the butt thing as well. These are super flattering. They make you just feel tight and held. So that is everything that I have for today's haul. I have a bunch of other Gymshark hauls up on my Instagram, on my highlights, so if you guys want to check that out, you can too. Definitely go check out the sale. You're not going to regret it. But now I need to finish getting ready, put some sweatpants on because I'm freezing. I think I'm gonna have like a banana or something, because how is it that I'm literally hungry at 6 in the morning? I don't know. One being that my dad actually took the car, so I don't even have a car to go to the gym with, and two, the good thing is that I'll be able to work out in my house, and it's actually more comfortable for me this way, and probably better for you guys if you want to do this at home. So as of right now, I'm gonna eat this banana, have a little pre-workout snack, and then we're gonna start working out. I'm gonna go get my yoga mat and we can start working out. The sun has literally started to come out, so I'm already feeling so much better. I feel like this is taking a turn for the better. Hopefully I don't have like red marks on my face from wearing my glasses, but I'm gonna search up a yoga, just like a stretching one, because I feel pretty stiff since it's so early. Normally what I like to do with my workouts is stretch, and I know like people say don't stretch before you work out because your muscles aren't warm yet, but as like a gymnast, cheerleader, I feel like I always was taught to stretch before just so that I can like loosen up. It's really just like warming myself up to start working out so that I'm not like freezing and actually hurt myself further.
A quick morning stretch routine when you are short on time but want to get rid of all the aches and pains and kinks in your body from a long night's rest. Stretching through the right side of your neck, and I like to bring the left.
Now ready to work out. I'm gonna play some music and just get right into it. Honestly, the longer you wait, I feel like the more I dread it. I just need to start. Taken like 15 minutes to just like breathe and relax, because honestly I was like sweating and really out of breath. That whole workout took me around like 30 minutes. I know I like probably am gonna speed it up, but did break a sweat. These bands that I'm using are from Amazon. You can buy them and they're such good quality. It comes with like a small, medium, and large, or small, medium, and hard or something. This is the medium band, and those exercises that I did with the band are the glute activation. It's like really important to do those if you're actually at the gym, because it like warms up your glutes for when you actually start doing weights. Like, but obviously when I don't have that here at my house, I just like to do this and like some other butt exercises. I think I'm going to make myself a smoothie and call it a day for the workout. Honestly, I probably will put this in a vlog soon, but I am gonna buy an Apple Watch, so I'm really excited for that, because then I'll be able to track my steps and I feel like I'll be more motivated to work out and stuff. But hopefully you enjoyed that workout. I feel like it's really easy to do in your room. You guys can also take breaks if you need it and adjust the numbers if that works for you better. Okay, I'm back in my room and I think it's time for a taste test. I've never had this combination, so I'm excited. Super good, very thick. I did use a new protein powder, and like the one that I had before I thought was much better, so it's really thick but still really good. Good to get your protein in, especially after a workout. This has been my morning so far. As for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna take a shower. I have a lot of errands to run. I need to go to the bank and get a new credit card because I lost mine. No one has hacked it, but I'm just dumb and lost it. And I also need to go pick up my debit card because I also forgot it somewhere. Don't ask me how, but that also happened. Also, my pinky nail just fell off. Need to get my nails done, and I've got a whole lot of editing to do, so I'm pretty busy with my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Please comment down below what other kind of workout videos you'd like to see, because I'm down to do that. Although, like I said, I'm definitely not certified little personal trainer here, and I only do what I know, really. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys watched to this point of this video, comment this emoji. I love you guys. Thank you so much to Gymshark for sponsoring this video again, and I'll talk to you guys very shortly.